All right, so how do we start talking in English? My advice, start small. Don't jump into complicated sentences or long speeches on day one.
Exactly. You don't need to sound like Shakespeare. Start with short, simple sentences like, my name is Lena. I am from London. I like music.
Yes, that's the foundation. Simple, clear, and correct sentences. You'll be surprised how much confidence you build with just 5 or 6 simple lines.
You know, Paul, I always tell my beginners, don't aim for big words, aim for real words. The ones you'll actually use every day.
Absolutely. What's the use of learning philosophical vocabulary if you can't order a cup of coffee confidently?
Exactly. You don't need to say, I require a caffeinated beverage. Just say, I want coffee.
Yes, simple English is powerful English.
Right. And you know what's even better? Try building your English around your real life. For example, when you wake up, say something like, I'm waking up. Then when you brush your teeth, I'm brushing my teeth.
Oh, that's a great idea. It's like making English part of your daily routine.
Exactly. You don't need extra study time. Your life is your classroom.
Yes, you can speak English while cooking, cleaning, walking, or even while scrolling through your phone.
Ha ha ha. True. Imagine this. I'm checking Instagram. I'm liking a post. I'm watching a video. Simple sentences, but every one of them builds fluency.
And the key here, say them out loud. Speaking inside your head doesn't count.
Yes, out loud. Because when you speak out loud, your mouth, your tongue, and your voice all get used to English.
Exactly, it's like exercising a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes.
Let's actually do a little example for our listeners, shall we?
Great idea. Okay, everyone, wherever you are, listening on your phone, walking, cooking, whatever, repeat after us.
Ready? Let's start simple. I am happy.
I am learning English.
I can speak English.
I am confident.
Yes, that's the energy we need. These positive sentences help your brain believe in you.
Exactly. When you say, I can't speak English, your brain gives up. But when you say, I can speak English, your brain starts finding ways to make it true.
That's called the power of self-talk. You're literally training your mind through words.
And here's another tip. Don't rush. Speak slowly and clearly. Beginners often think they need to speak fast to sound fluent, but fluency is not speed.
Yes, you can be fluent even with slow speech as long as your message is clear and confident.
Exactly. Let's demonstrate. I'll say one sentence fast and one slow. Fast. You want to go to the movies with my friends. Slow. I want to go to the movies with my friends.
Haha, the second one is so much clearer, and you sound more confident.
That's the point. Clarity beats speed every time.
Another small trick. Learn some ready-to-use phrases. These are phrases you can use anywhere, anytime.
Oh yes, like, how are you? That's great. Really? I think so. I don't understand.
Exactly. These phrases are like your English toolbox. Whenever you need them, just take one out.
And you can practice them in short conversations. For example, hi, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. What about you? I'm doing great.
Perfect. Even 4 lines like this can give you confidence to handle small talks.
And remember, it's okay if your grammar isn't perfect at first. People care more about your message than your mistakes.
Yes. If you say, he go to school, people will still understand you meant he goes to school. Communication first, correction later.
Exactly. You'll naturally fix grammar over time. The more you speak, the more your brain picks up patterns.
That's how even native speakers learn. We all improve by listening and repeating.
So let's give our listeners a small challenge.
Ooh, I love challenges. Go ahead, Paul.
Okay, everyone. Here's your Start Small challenge. For the next 3 days, I want you to speak 5 short English sentences every day.
Yes, just 5 sentences. You can say them about anything, your food, your plans, your work, your feelings.
For example, I am drinking water. I am feeling good. I like this song. I'm going to sleep. I will talk in English tomorrow too.
Haha, that's a great one. And if you're brave, record yourself and listen later.
Yes, you'll be amazed to hear your own progress.
And don't worry if you sound weird in the beginning. Everyone hates their voice at first, even us podcasters. Laughs.
Haha, true. But recording yourself helps you notice pronunciation and improvement over time.
Exactly. It's like having your own little English diary but spoken.
And here's the fun part. When you start small like this, you remove pressure. It's easy, manageable, and keeps you motivated.
Yes. And once you're comfortable with small sentences, you can slowly join them to make bigger ones.
For example, instead of I like coffee and I drink coffee every morning, you can say, I like coffee, so I drink it every morning.
Perfect. You're already moving toward real conversation.
See? Speaking English is not about perfection, it's about progress, one small step at a time.
And that's why we say start small, but start now. Now, Paul, I get this question all the time. People say, but I don't have anyone to practice English with. How will I improve?
Oh yes, the classic excuse. And you know what I always tell them? You do have someone to practice with, yourself.
Exactly. You don't need a partner to start. You can practice with yourself anytime, anywhere.
Yes, you can talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. For example, I'm making breakfast. I'm getting ready for work. I'm watching English Made Easy.
Nice plug there, Paul. But you're right. It sounds silly at first, but this technique is so powerful.
Oh yes, it's called self-narration. Basically, you narrate your life in English.
Yes. Think of yourself as the main character in a movie, and you're also the narrator. So instead of saying it in your head, say it out loud.
Exactly. Imagine you're in a cooking show. Now I'm adding salt. Or like a travel vlogger. I'm walking down the street. It's a beautiful day.
Yes. And if you're shy, you can do it when you're alone, like while brushing your teeth, walking your dog, or commuting.
I actually recommend people use their phones. Pretend you're talking on a call. No one will know you're practicing English.
Haha, yes, that's such a good trick. You look totally normal, but you're secretly improving your fluency.
Exactly. And if you want to make it even more fun, use the mirror method.
Ah, yes, my favorite. I used to do this when I was learning French. I would stand in front of the mirror, look at myself, and just talk.
Right. It's like giving a small performance to yourself. Look at your expressions, your mouth movements, and your confidence grow every day.
And the best part is, no one's judging you. You can make mistakes, laugh, correct yourself. It's a safe space.
Exactly. And don't forget journaling out loud. You can take your diary or notes and instead of writing, speak them. Like, today was a busy day. I went shopping. I met my friend.
Oh, yes, that's perfect. You can even record small voice notes on your phone. And after a week, listen again to see your improvement.
That's a great idea. You'll notice your pronunciation and confidence getting better.
So, listeners, from today, stop waiting for a partner. You are your best practice buddy.
Exactly. Remember, practice doesn't need permission. You can do it anywhere, anytime.
Okay, Paul, let's move to one of the best parts, speaking buddies.
Yes, because learning alone is great, but practicing with someone is even better.
Definitely. If you can, find someone who's also learning English. You can grow together and keep each other motivated.
Exactly. You don't need a native speaker. Another learner is just as useful because you both understand the struggle.
Right. You can start with small, friendly questions. What's your favorite food? Where are you from? What did you do today?
And don't worry about mistakes. Just enjoy the conversation. Laugh, correct each other gently, and keep talking.
Yes, I also love the idea of English-only day.
Oh yes, pick one day a week, say Saturday, and speak only in English, no matter how broken it sounds.
You'll make funny mistakes, maybe even invent new words, laughs, but that's the fun of learning.
Exactly. You can also join online speaking clubs or apps. There are communities full of learners waiting to practice.
Yes, it's amazing how technology connects people worldwide. You could be speaking with someone from Brazil or Japan while sitting in your living room.
True, and that gives you exposure to different accents and speaking styles.
So find a buddy, make mistakes together, laugh together, and learn together. That's how fluency is built. One friendly chat at a time. Now, Paul, let's be honest. Starting is easy, but staying motivated, that's tough.
Oh yes, many people begin full of energy. I'll speak English every day. And 1 week later, poof.
Exactly. So how do we keep that spark alive?
Simple. Make English a habit, not a task.
Yes, don't treat it like homework. Make it part of your daily life.
Change your phone or social media language to English. Read English menus. Watch your favorite shows with English subtitles.
Even small things help. Label objects in your room with English words, like write mirror, door, chair on sticky notes.
Yes, it turns your house into a mini English environment.
And don't forget to celebrate small wins. If you spoke 2 sentences today, that's progress.
Exactly. Progress, not perfection. That's the mantra we live by.
Also, reward yourself. Maybe a cup of coffee or a favorite snack after your practice session.
Haha, yes. Learning should feel rewarding, not punishing.
And if you ever feel stuck, remember why you started. Maybe it's for your career, travel, or just confidence. Keep that reason close.
Exactly. Your why will keep you going when motivation fades. All right, friends, we're almost at the end of today's episode. What a journey. Let's quickly summarize.
Step 1, don't fear mistakes, they're your teachers. Step 2, start small, even one sentence a day. Step 3, listen and imitate, your ears train your mouth. Step 4, practice with yourself or a partner. Step 5, stay motivated and celebrate small wins.
Beautiful summary, Lena. And remember, English is not a subject you study, it's a skill you build.
Yes, and every skill needs practice. The more you use it, the better you get.
So don't wait for perfect English. Just start talking. Today, right now, even if it's messy.
Exactly. Your first step is the hardest, but once you take it, you'll realize it's actually fun.
So go out there, say your first English words proudly, no matter how simple they are.
You've got this. Believe in yourself, keep speaking, and one day English will feel as natural as your first language.
Thank you so much for tuning in, everyone.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are learning English too.
And remember, every word you speak brings you one step closer to fluency.
See you next time on English Made Easy.
Keep speaking, keep learning, and keep shining.